Hello everybody and welcome back. So today in this video, as you can see, it's written alphabetical order. We're going to learn about alphabetical order. Let me give you a short glimpse as to what exactly in alphabetical order we're going to learn. So in alphabetical order there are two rules. So we're going to learn about the two rules of alphabetical order. Then towards the video, I'm going to give you a nice bonus tip along with one interesting activity. So see to it that you watch the video till the end. Let's get started. So alphabetical order, when we say alphabetical order, we visualize alphabets, all the alphabets from A to Z. Okay. So the first rule says where the starting letter of the words are different. You will be given many words, like 3 to 4 words, and you have to see the starting letter of the word. So if the starting letter of all those 4 words or all those 5 words are different, then you have to arrange those words in alphabetical order. Okay, according to A to Z arrangement. Let me give you one example to make you understand about it as to what I'm talking. After listening to the example, it will be clear. As you can see the picture of a cat here, it's an apple, balloon, deer. So cat, apple, balloon and deer. All the starting letter of these 4 words, cat, apple, balloon and deer, okay, it's not arranged according to A to Z order. Okay, so just have a look on it. When we read A to Z, when we read the alphabets, the first letter is A. Apple starts with the letter A. The second letter is B. So here balloon starts with letter B. Okay. Then cat starts with letter C. So after B we have C. And then deer starts with letter D. So now when we want to arrange these 4 words, cat, apple, balloon and deer in alphabetical order, it will be like this. Apple will come first, followed with balloon, then cat and deer. So this is the first rule of alphabetical order. When the starting letter of the words are different, then you have to arrange them in alphabetical order. Okay, see the starting letter and see, read the ABCD and then you arranged it. Okay, as to which word will come first, which will come second, which will come third, which will come fourth, like that. Now let's go to rule number 2. Rule number 2 says where the starting letter of the words are same. Oh my god, when the starting words will be same for all the words, then what are we going to do? Don't worry, I will tell you. Let's see example for it first. Monkey, mug, mat and milk. Now see all these 4 words starts with the same letter M. So in such a case, when the first letter is same for all the words, you have to see the second letter. Then you have to arrange the words in alphabetical order. Now see, the starting letter M is the same, right? And we have to arrange them in A to Z order. We are going to see the second letter of all these 4 words. Monkey starts with letter M, but the second letter is O. Mug starts with letter M, but the second letter is U. So we're going to see U. Similarly, mat starts with letter M, but the second letter is A. So we're going to see the letter A. Milk starts with letter M, but the second letter is I. So we're going to look at I. Okay. Now, see, according to A to Z arrangement, letter A comes first. Okay. Which is in mat, the second letter. Letter I is there, okay, which is in milk. Then letter O is there in monkey, the second letter of the word monkey. Similarly, letter U will be last, which is there in the word mug. Okay, so now look here, see. Mat has letter A, so the word mat will come first. Milk has letter I, so the word milk will come second. Monkey has letter O, so monkey will be on the third place, and mug has letter U, so mug will be on the fourth place. So mat, milk, monkey and mug. So children, remember the rule number 2. When the first letters are same, you have to see the second letter and then you have to arrange them in alphabetical order according to the second letters. Okay. Now children, it's time for the bonus tip. All the words in the dictionary are arranged in alphabetical order. So dictionary has lots of words in it and all these words are arranged in alphabetical order. You pick up a dictionary and you see, you will get to learn so many words and you will see that they are arranged in alphabetical order. Now it's time for the activity. So the activity time says, write the names of your family members and arrange it in alphabetical order. We all live in family, right? So write the name of your family member, write the name of your mama, daddy, if you have brothers and sisters also. If you have grandparents, grandmother and grandfather, write their name also and then arrange the names in alphabetical order. Okay. So children, I hope you have understood well about alphabetical order. Please remember both the rules, remember the bonus tip and please enjoy this activity. Thank you so much.